It's Monday morning. Yesterday we went to see Mum. She's not feeling very well. She's been in hospital all week, so we're a bit sad.
So this is my brother, yeah, he's just listening to his own music, his own station. My mum is not well, so we are going to give her some dinner, Sunday evening. And my brother Peter is holding the camera, so it's really close to my face. I actually don't know what it's going to look like. Look at him, he's just going on crazy. But anyway, because it's Sunday and because Mum's ill and in hospital, we wanted to still have Sunday dinner. So I bought vegan rice and peas, chickpea curry, and it should be lovely. Andrew is...
Because I'm a big man now.
A big man. My brother's getting old. I think the dinner's going down well. Yeah, let me look. Daddy seems to be eating up very nicely. So this is my cake that they're having here in the hospital.
So first of all, I'm going to make a parsley drink, just water made of parsley. Whenever Mum has a urine infection, which happens quite a lot with elderly people, what we do is we just do this parsley drink. It's literally parsley boiled or just steeped in water for 10 minutes. It is a fantastic diuretic. It's really good. And in fact, it shouldn't just be for elderly people, we should drink it. It's got lots and lots and lots and lots of good stuff to it. And also I'm going to make a vegan Irish moss, well, my type of Irish moss. Irish moss is really, really good for you. If you get to drink Irish moss every day, then you'll be like a superman or a superwoman. It is fantastic for you. You can put it in smoothies, you can put it in soup, you can put it in anything once it's all made up. Jamaican milk, don't cuss me, but I'm not using any of the milky products and stuff like that. I'm just going to do my version. So I just want to respect Jamaica, big up Jamaica, because I know that they were dealing with Irish moss from time.
So here is my parsley, just straightforward parsley, and I'm going to slice it all up. I'm even going to use the stalks because all the goodness is in there too. Forgot to say I did wash it, and now I'm going to put it into my pot, and then I'm going to add some water. Bottled water or filtered water will be great. As you can see, the parsley is warmed. You don't have to cook it for very long, you just need to make it boil and then leave it to seep really. And I'm just going to, the parsley that's left over, I still wouldn't throw it away because it's got lots of roughage in it still. I'll probably put it in a soup or something later. Give this to elderly people. Give this to them every single day. It's good for inflamed kidneys and it's good if you've got a urine infection. So I'm going to pour it in again. It's hot at the moment. But what I normally do is once it's cooled, I put it in one of these bottles. Now this is an old passata bottle, a bottle that used to have tomato sauce in it. Make sure it's cooled. But once it's cooled, you can just put it in your bottle. Now, it doesn't look very appealing, but I've got to tell you, it is really, really good for you. So this is my dried Irish moss, and I'm about to soak it now. So here is the Irish moss. Well, I washed it out really, really well. Lots and lots of washing, get rid of all the salt and stuff like that. I soaked it overnight in water with some lime. And as you know, whenever I can, I try and add some goodness. So here is maybe like a teaspoon or so of, this is flaxseed, linseed, which I'm going to whisk. So quite quickly you'll see that this mixture starts to get very gloopy, and eventually when it really cools down it'll be like a gel. So here is a fancy trick for your Irish moss. Just put them in some ice trays, put it in the freezer, and whenever you want them to make your Irish moss or your smoothies, you can just take them out individually. So I've added in maybe a tablespoon or so of Irish moss into this. I'm going to pour some milk in. Almond milk is really nice with this. My niece Natalie went to Trinidad, so here is some chocolate balls, and this is the original nutmeg. So here I am. I'm grating some of this fresh nutmeg, and because I have it, I'm going to put some of these chocolate balls. It's got lots of magnesium and so on and so forth. There you go. This is into my Irish moss with some milk. And then I'm going to add maybe a teaspoon of cinnamon and a little bit of vanilla. So we're going to use agave syrup to sweeten it, if you want to sweeten it. If I'm going to give this to my mum, I wouldn't give her too much agave syrup. And that's it really. So I'm going to whiz it in the whizzer, and then this is going to be our Irish moss. This is absolutely delicious. You know, also you can whiz it with some ice just to make it nice and cold. But I've got to tell you, I had a little sneak taste and it's so nice. So I'm just going to put a little bit of chocolate on top. And the Irish moss is ready. Yeah, Kyan's holding the camera for me because it's school day, but he's not feeling very well. So he might try my Irish moss and he might like it. It's from Jamaica, Kyan. You come from Jamaica, you know that? So your family come from Jamaica and then drink Irish moss?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, so you're going to try it for your family? So I hope you liked my video. Please like and subscribe. My album is still on its way. The song I'm recording this week is called My Everything, My Everything. Please like and please subscribe. It's been a long journey to get this album finished, and when it lands, wow, it's going to be an achievement. Irish moss is my version, but that's part of it really. I think you should get recipes and make it and adapt it to your own style. So I'm going to be doing videos, not just food, but I'll also be going into healthy alternatives every now and then as well. As you know, Christmas is coming, and we hope Mum will be out of the hospital and I'll be able to make some Christmas vegan food for you. Please like and please subscribe.